Stop by and take a look at the 2016 CRV. CRV, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, security system, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.